I apologize for my voice. I seem to have gotten sick. This week I'm supposed to be doing Chapter 7 programming challenges, and instead of doing the 3 challenges, I decided to go with number 20, the trivia game. In the homework itself it said question 19, but it said trivia game, so I just did trivia game, which was 20. It basically asked for an array type program that allows 2 players to play a randomly chosen game of trivia. Both people get to go with 5 questions, and then whoever gets the most questions right wins the game, of course. And towards the end, it'll display score as well as who's won. To begin, started by creating an instance of the scanner class to read the input right here. Then I set the size of the array. Then I was able to create the class question right here. I added in the trivia questions. As you can see, here's the list of all of them. Go over my notes. I then have it right here, printing the trivia object question as well as retrieving the answers and adding the score for each individual player. And then towards the end of this program, it will output what the score was as well as who has won, as I had stated before. Now, for the other class I created, I had to create instance variables, all these strings for possible answers, questions, and answers. Then a constructor for the question with 4 possible answers and the correct being type of answer. And then I created, sorry, I'm losing my place. Then I have these methods down here that return the possible answer as well as the first, second, third, fourth possible answer. Or this sets what they chose as the answer, and that sets to that, and then it'll return the possible answer to the method. And then it'll just return the correct answer. So if we go over here and we run this, we get what color is a polar bear's tongue for player 1. I know it's black, so we'll go with black. Only mammal is going to be a giraffe. Longest lifespan is a tortoise, a penguin, falcon, and let's say a lima bean. Now player 2, I'm going to guess 1 on each one just to make them lose. And it'll state player 1 had 4 points, player 2 had 0 points, player 1 has 1. Now I'll do it one more time just to show whenever they tie. So let's say they both get all of the points. So let me do this real fast. Let's see. Some of these were actually pretty interesting. Honestly, not too sure about some of the answers, in all honesty. And 4. And let's do it one more time where they just all get it wrong. I don't seem to be able to get the wrong answer, right? There we go. There we go. Player 1 had 0 points, player 2 had 0 points, game is a tie. And then of course I could do it so where player 2 comes in first. Anyways, you get the concept. And that's all there is to it.